Hunter, where are you? Come here. Can you get down from there? I wanted to show how you walk and how you think you're like the boss of everyone. Yes, can you get that? Come on. Let's go. Okay, bye-bye. Then come on. Spider-Man will look. Come. Okay, thank you. Hunter. Come here. Hunter. Can you come here? Here, Hunter. Here. Here she comes. Like she's got business. Don't get mad.